Good morning. So it's 7 a.m. and we are on the way to the airport. We're flying to Italy. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Here's Mr. Lee. So we almost made it to the airport. It's 7:58 and it's still super dark outside. This is crazy. We are ready to board. We are lining up here like you can see.
Goodbye.
Hasta luego. See you soon.
I'm all going Italy.
We made it to Rome and now we're trying to buy train tickets to go to Florence. That's 20 minutes to get here. It was a pretty long walk. We didn't get any food, so hopefully before we get the train we can find some type of food to eat. So it looks like we are always running. We need to get to 5. The train leaves in like 2 minutes. We taking the express train. Unfortunately, it's cost us too much money because we didn't buy tickets in advance. But hey, we're making our way closer to our first Italian destination for the next months. The train is moving, so it's our actually first time going on a fast-speed train.
Pero baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil.
So if you order the tickets in advance, you can probably pay a little bit cheaper than what we paid. But the problem is, if you order tickets in advance and your flight is delayed, so you lose your money, missing your train because you cannot change your tickets. So we decided just not to risk it and just buy tickets in the train station. Standard second class, we paid 64 euros adult and we paid 32 euros for each one of our kids. 2 hours and 15 minutes from Fiumicino Aeroporto to Firenze SM Novella. Like you can see, the train is totally full. There is many people on this train right now because we were going from Rome Central Station. Really clean. You can even have a changing table here for a baby. You have soap, you have water, and it will dry your hands. And also free Wi-Fi. Okay, so now I know what's the difference between this 10 extra euro that you pay for these chairs. You get a juice or a coffee or something. Okay guys, the train is stopped and we are about to get off the train. Welcome to Florence.
I don't know, mommy.
So we have no idea, but we will find out how to get out of this train station. So it's not very easy, it's a little bit complicated, especially when you don't do your homework. So what we think, according to Google, that we need to walk like around 4 minutes and take a bus of 30 minutes to our destination and then to walk 17 minutes. It's going to be hard and we don't know if we are buying the tickets for the bus inside the bus or we need to find this tobacco shop and buy a bus card. So we'll find out all the information now and I'll share it with you for your next journey to Florence. Florencia, Italia. Buongiorno, principessa. Dreams are made to make them come true. So we were starving and these kids for 1 month were begging to eat McDonald's. So in Malaga for a month we didn't go to McDonald's, 1 full month. And now, before we need to go for a really long walk, 40 minutes walk, we decided to feed the McDonald's so they will have power. Mila, are you excited to eat McDonald's finally? I know it's very weird but you get super excited from a garbage. But I have to say, this is the first time I see such a cool garbage in anywhere, not just in McDonald's. So this garbage is divided. You will have liquid. You have here curtains Okay. Oh, you put the organic food there. Oh, it's so cool. So you put the food there, you put the bags here, plastics, and okay, who can read it? Indifferenziata. And here is indifferenziata. Got it. Okay. This is how you make your world to a better place. So we have 6 minutes walk to our bus. And look how beautiful is these buildings. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful day, beautiful sky. So we're still on the way, trying to find our bus. Like you see, it's not very easy, but it's absolutely gorgeous here, so I don't really care. We found bus number 17. We crossed the road like 4 times. Back, forth, and then somebody came to us and say, "Are you guys need help? Are you lost?" And we are like, "Oh my goodness, totally lost, totally need help." This is the tickets we bought. It's cost like €50, but because I bought 10 tickets, I paid 14 euros. We are so excited. Here's bus number 17. We are on the bus, crazy full. I think our Airbnb is in the end of the world because there is no people on this bus anymore. After the bus was absolutely full. Let me show you. Nobody on this bus. So I really want to know where our Airbnb located. But it should be really awesome because we took a really fun house.
Prossima fermata, Virgo Centro Tecnico Commerciale.
So we are in Cucudeciana. We will need to walk now for 20 minutes.
Virgo Centro
Here,
Tecnico Commerciale.
Cucudeciano. Guys, let's go. We are in Cucudeciano. Welcome to Cucudeciana.
Welcome to Florence, Italy. We arrived off the plane and we already made it off the train in a bus in Florence, Italy. Bye!
So the reason I'm not filming while I'm walking is because I'm carrying these 2 bags and it's very heavy. But let me try to push it. Okay guys, this is the house. I can't believe, look, this is so beautiful. It's so green here and so beautiful. You see the sun is coming behind this beautiful tree and this is in the top of the mountain. You ready? Let's go to explore. This.
What do you say, guys?
Say grazie. Oh,
These are for you.
grazie.
You, non mi ricordo come si chiama. You?
Ah, Sofia.
Sofia, ecco.
Ah, grazie.
Aromatic plant, lemon.
Oh.
Solo un rayo del sol.
Papir,
Papel.
organic
Food.
no, non differenziato.
Okay. Yep.
Residual waste. Okay? Clean.
Clean. Okay.
There's mosquitoes.
Okay, go.
Devo accendere le luci.
The luci. She will turn the light.
Ah,
Ooh.
over there.
Ecco. Allora, bathroom clean.
Che bonito.
Ma tu da dove sei? What state? Ok?
Yes. Oh, che bonito.
Clean.
Clean. We're going with her first.
TV.
Oh, TV.
Sì.
TV, okay.
Allora, this
Oh, okay.
caution.
Okay.
Attenzione.
Okay, so we have a second floor here. We are going up.
I feel like this guy. Mommy, can this be me and Mila's room?
This will probably be mommy and daddy's room.
No. Oh, we already called it.
This is the yard. And this is the beautiful door. I'm here outside enjoying the noise of creatures. I guess it's creatures. It's really dark here. This is the end. I'm outside. There is a beautiful light here shining me. We really like it here. The only problem, I think we have here tons of mosquitoes. I'm not the biggest fan of mosquitoes, but it is what it is. We will make it work. The grocery store is 28 minutes walking, so we'll see how we're going to do it. We have nothing, absolutely nothing. The refrigerator is totally empty. We have nothing to eat or to drink, but she said we can drink from the sink water, so we will just be living on water until tomorrow morning with the kids. So we have a donut left in the bag, so hopefully they can choose something if they want to eat. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Quick tour around this beautiful kitchen, and let me show you our refrigerator. Ta-da! Ooh, we have something. Half croissant. Whoop whoop. What? This is the dream life.